Hi, my YouTube family. My name is Mukesh, and we are back having a new group discussion topic. Our group discussion and debate videos are highly appreciated by our viewers. First of all, I would like to give a special thanks to all of you for appreciating, for putting the comments, for sharing the videos with your friends, with your family members. Keep sharing. Now, today's topic is very interesting, and the people who are using it in a positive way, for them it's good, but the people who are using it in a negative way, for them it can be a positive part. The topic is that human is hypnotized by the features of internet and mobile. Means positive features of internet and mobile and negative features of internet mobile. So here we have three students. We have discussed this topic today in our offline Sunday GD. We are going to record it for you. Most of the people, they have a better platform of learning grammar, but they don't have platform of watching this type of group discussion videos. So let's start. We have three people. I hope you all are ready, girls.
Yes.
So who would initiate first?
I will.
Suhani, please, over to you.
Good morning, everyone. As sir already mentioned the topic, I'd like to break it down for all of you for better understanding. So first of all, what is hypnotizing? Hypnotizing is capturing somebody's whole attention or influencing them in some or other way. So, and we all know that what are the mobile features and what is internet. And so I think that humans are hypnotized by mobiles and internet because we all have seen people, parents, children, students, couples, and all of them engaged in their mobile, and they are always wasting their time even when they're sitting together at lunch or dinner or some good place outside having fun. They are still on their mobile phones. So it is not good. They are so engaged in their mobile phones that they don't even think that wasting 3 to 4 hours on mobile phones is good. I'm only telling that this is an average. But children also use mobile phones for 7 to 8 hours also. And apart from studying and apart from working, people are checking their phones in schools and offices, which is not good. They shouldn't be doing so. And I have seen my cousin people in office take their phones because they are just wasting time in mobile phones. And 20% use of social media is good. Like there are only 20% benefits of having information, of sharing information, of communication, or of any office work. But apart from that, 68% of surveyed people agree that there are negative impacts of social media and mobile phones and internet. The issues are like eye strain and back pain, obesity, depression, lack of emotional intimacy, because people think they are connecting online. But what if somebody is ill and you only text them? Is it going to make them feel good? It is not going to make them feel good. You should visit them in person. People are only being social online. What about being social offline? They should be visiting people. They should be living their life fully and not online only. That was all from my side. If you have any questions.
So you mean to say that most of the people, they are distracted by the mobile, right? Do you have any counter question? Yes, ma'am. You can.
Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity. Whatever my dear friend just said right now, I'll say you're just spreading the thing that it is very harmful for everyone. But in my point of view, on many places, it is very good. It is performing very good. Like if we talk about the information, if we talk about some of the apps which are very useful nowadays, and without these kind of apps, this kind of information, it is very impossible to live a life. For example, if I am talking about the net banking, they are also providing an app. We can it is reducing our energy. What in earlier time happening, we have to go in the bank, we have to be in the queue, so that is a very difficult for that time. But nowadays we are doing all the things with the mobile, right? Apart from that, if I talk about the food apps, if you are not able to cook, if your mother is not able to cook to cook food, you can order the food from that kind of app, and many apps which are very useful these days. So according to me, it is useful. It is depend on us how we are using it and how we are involving ourselves in that.
Okay. Do you have any counter? Okay, you can.
Okay. So, ma'am, as you have said about the online and about the food online, all these. So, after a time, we are doing it unconsciously. We are just ordering, and this step is going to unconscious over a period of time. And let me tell you a thing that when there is a more usage of mobile, then there is a chemical release from our brain, that is dopamine, and which enhances to use more phone again and again. And this is how this loop is going on, and that's it. And that is actually the hypnotizing of the mobile phone and the internet. So that is not a good thing about for a 5-year child or something. Even for a youngster also, it is not a good thing. So I am agree with ma'am that we are hypnotizing with mobile phones and internet.
Okay, so these are the views given by all of these three students. Now, if you have your questions or your opinion, then please drop this opinion and points into the comment section. As we have seen some users, they regularly participate our debate after when we upload this video on YouTube, they keep putting their comments into the, even some people suggested the topics we will cover up in the future, but today's topic is very interesting, that are we hypnotized by mobile and internet or not? Anybody has got any other point? Yes.
As you mentioned, ma'am, that there are benefits like you don't have to go to bank and stand in the queue. You can pay online. But what about the cyber hacking and all? And you can get about the theft that is having being online.
Ma'am, nowadays you can see, if you are talking about the that cyber crimes and all, nowadays we can see the quick notification in our phone if you are making any kind of that transaction which is not useful and can harm our money. So immediately that our banking app, other sites are nowadays presented who will aware us to not make such kind of transaction. It can harm your money and it can. So nowadays days protection are also coming with the things, no? So it is not harmful. We need to be aware that time in which side we are going and spending our money.
But just because you mentioned the benefits, that doesn't mean it is not hypnotizing. Like I mentioned, you didn't
It is
listen.
not about hypnotizing. It is the basic needs of nowadays every human being, that they have to go with that things.
Yes, they have to go with that things, but what about they being addicted with it? It is not necessary to be always using
If
your
we
phone.
talk about the mature persons, they cannot be addicted. And if you are that much mature, you can easily find out that which thing is good and how much time should I spend on particular things and all.
Ma'am, yeah, you have just said we are mature or something like that, but saying something is very easy than doing it actually. We all are at the age of 18 to 24, but we are actually not aware about the thing which is good or not. Then how can we find it that this platform is good or that platform is not good? I have seen that the many suicide cases are happening because of cyberbullying. The people are posting their content and they are getting hate or negative comment or something like that, even some bully. So they even commit suicide just because of this cyberbully. So this means these social media and these mobiles are creating a great impact on our memory, on our lifestyle, on our health, and we always have that fear of missing out, that FOMO, all the times when we walk out or we see our friends what they are doing and we just feel we are doing nothing. So that regret comes in between.
See, whatever you are saying, I can be agreed with that, but I'll say in which family you are living, what type of culture you are following in your particular family, what you are getting with your parents. If you are quite aware with these things and your parent is quite aware with that kind of things, they will guide you timely, time to time, that whatever you are using in your phone you can use, but they will make them aware that don't go in that kind of things, because that is their responsibility. And whatever if there are a lackness of your parents, that they are not present all the time with you, so you will definitely go in that way and you will lose your whatever.
So that's what I've said.
Yes.
Parents are actually giving their phone to their children, saying that he or she is annoying me, so give them phone or something like that. And you have talked about
See,
the
it is
online.
depend on the
online.
children, that if they are attending the school or they are attending the college, and after that tuition classes or anything, how much time they are spending on that. Apart from that, whatever time they are having in that time, they should use their maturity, what they whole day they learn in their mind, that thing should be used in that time when you are being online or you are watching the reels. If you are seeing such kind of stuff, you should just remove the scroll down the things and you can save yourself.
Exactly, that maturity is not in our.
See, it is
human
depend on the what you are getting with your families and what
Ma'am, there are engineers sitting who are just making the phone addicted so that we can be more addicted to the mobiles and they can earn well.
See, to that time, it is the responsibility of social media's owners that if people are making this kind of content, no, that they should not post it on that particular platform, because they are also know it can be harmful for youngsters also, for coming youth also.
So that means you are also supporting that
No,
way
I'm
that
not.
is hypnotizing.
I am not supporting. I am saying कि that time that social media's owner should understand if people are making that kind of stuff, they should not post on that particular site.
Okay. It's time to conclude actually. There is an algorithm of all the social media platform that whatever stuff any person is watching, next day that algorithm will recommend similar type of videos to the viewers. That is the biggest problem, that why we are getting hypnotized. Let's say somebody has seen some comedy videos on social media platform, automatically the YouTube and these all social media platform will recommend similar type of videos next day, and this way the person will become addicted, right? Anyways, the discussion is long, we can discuss for a long time, but we also have limitations of time. We are making the positive part of this mobile as well as internet, right? Now, leaving question for the students that what do you think, guys? And I think those who watch our videos, they are not in that category who waste the time. People who waste the time watching the reels and unproductive videos, they don't come to our YouTube platform. I think we have a smart audience on our YouTube channel. So if you're smart, then let's continue this discussion for longer. Drop your views, write your questions into the comment section. These people will also respond your questions in the comment sections. Group discussion is very important activities, guys, because learning grammar is very easy. You will find n number of channels where people are explaining grammatical structures very nicely, but this type of platform rarely available. That's why we also provide online group discussion. If anyone is interested to join the paid online, see, it's not free. Live, it's not provided. It cannot be provided free because we need one-to-one attention. One-to-many recorded it goes, but in spoken English, recorded lectures cannot work more, right? So for further details of live group discussions, you can drop a message to us on WhatsApp. Otherwise, it was a wonderful discussion with all three students. Thank you. We'll be right back having a new topic in the next video. Till then, keep watching and don't forget to subscribe and share it.